Welcome back for another video about vintage electronics. You just can't get enough of them, and there will always be something new to learn about. There are hundreds of different topics to talk about, and today we're going to look into the top 15 facts about the VHS format. Make sure you stick with me until the end to find out who invented the VHS. Let's begin, shall we? Number 15. You may be surprised to hear this. The world's last VCR was made in June 2016, and it was a DVD VCR made by Japan's Funai Electric. You will likely never again be able to buy a new VCR unless it is new old stock. Because of this, a VCR purchased new years ago for $200 now sells for $800 or more. Do you have a new VCR hidden in your closet? Number 14. The best-selling movie sold on VHS was The Lion King in 1995. 32 million copies were sold, generating $520 million in revenue. I'm sure that you still own a copy or two of this, unless you threw it away already. Number 13. The average VHS tape is 1,410 feet long. That is about 4 football fields. Number 12. Ever heard of the DVHS? Probably not. DVHS stands for Digital VHS. DVHS was JVC's attempt to produce a higher definition format to compete with the DVD. DVHS tapes are capable of playing at 1080i resolution. That's better than many DVD players. Number 11. Do you know what VCR stands for? It stands for Video Cassette Recorder. Number 10. What about the acronym VHS? That stands for Video Home System. Number 9. The first movie released on VHS was The Young Teacher, a South Korean drama about a teacher who organizes a volleyball game at her school to boost self-confidence and school spirit in her students. Number 8. What's inside of the VCR? Most VCRs have a 4-head system that includes 2 for recording and 2 for playback. Number 7. This may sound crazy to you, but many people still record television shows onto VHS. Number 6. The last movie released on VHS was A History of Violence, a movie about a former mobster looking to leave behind his violent past but is left with no choice. Number 5. The VCR was sold for $1,400 in 1975 when they were first introduced. $1,400 in 1975 is the equivalent of $6,949.36 today. Number 4. Did you know that there is a holiday for the VCR? June 7th is National VCR Day. Number 3. The first VCR to use VHS was the Victor HR3300. Victor is the same company as JVC. Number 2. Beta was the only direct competitor of the VHS in the beginning. It was Sony's attempt to compete with the VHS, but Beta was just too pricey when compared with VHS. And number 1. The VHS was invented by JVC and debuted in Japan on September 6, 1976, and in the US on August 23, 1977. What do you think about the VHS format? Let us know in the comments section below. I'm concerned for its permanent extinction, and that thought sends shivers down my spine. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.